Hi, I'm John from Auto. Today we're going to be looking at the headlight restoration kit from Kleen. We're doing it on this 2001 Toyota Corolla.
Included in the kit are sanding discs in 800, 1200 and 2000 grit, some polishing paste, some UV protection liquid, masking tape and sheet, a wool polishing disc, a white sponge, a hand buff tool and detailed instructions. You will also need some rags and warm water. A quick tip here is to add a drop of dishwashing liquid to the water. This will help the sandpaper from clogging up. The first step is to mask off any area around the headlight. This will stop the panels and bumpers around the light from being scratched. Next, attach the 800 grit sandpaper to the hand buffing tool, wet the sandpaper and start sanding the light. Working in straight lines across the light, sand until the water no longer has a yellow tinge to it. Once this is complete, change the sanding disc on the buffing tool to the 1200 grit disc and wet it again. Sand for approximately 3 to 4 minutes until smooth. Now change the disc to the 2000 grit, wet it again and sand for another 3 to 4 minutes. Attach the wool polishing disc to the hand buffing tool and apply the polishing paste. Polish the lens until shine is restored to original condition. You will need to complete at least 200 circular strokes all the way across the headlight surface. Now move the vehicle out of direct sunlight and using the small sponge in the kit, apply a layer of the UV protection liquid and allow to dry for 15 minutes. Once this is complete, move the vehicle into direct sunlight and allow the liquid to cure for 1 to 2 hours. After this has been completed, do not wash the vehicle or allow the headlight to be exposed to moisture for at least 24 hours.